How to cancel Agoda booking. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to cancel an Agoda booking. So what you want to do is, in order to cancel a booking, you want to open the Agoda app onto your device. After which, you want to go to My Trip section from the bottom of the page or from the left hand side corner. There you want to find the activity or the recent booking. You could just go and select all booking, and this is where you could find. You could just go and filter out by hotels or flight, and there all you need to do is just go ahead and select the reservation that you've made and tap on cancels. Now during cancellation you might also be charged with certain amount of fees in some cases, and in some cases it might be free as well, and you could just give a reason and complete the following steps, and that is how you're supposed to cancel a Agoda booking. So this way you are supposed to cancel a Agoda booking. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.